Manu, my friends and family, to all my fans, good morning. Ekaronu inakwanunku. Now see this fine girl, so at the farm. Today I want to take you on a tour on my beautiful farm. But first and foremost, let's meet the guy that started the job. So Yaro, may them make us a go nang.
Nafarko applying 2 weeks chemical.
Okay, best now 2 weeks chemical kasa nang.
Let's get a super this thing like that.
Okay.
Okay. Say after that one.
Okay, kasa grammar okay.
No 2 weeks.
Okay, the 2 weeks kasa.
Yeah, after that one. Sounds like farming, shining the Susan farm. The shining farming, Sangama, Sambishi, the Shuki. Sangama Shuki, sounds like Bish the Gramazo. Ambish the Gramazo, Sangama Bish the Gramazo. Say fertilizer.
Okay, at this point, from the beginning, after the planting, this is soya beans. Look at how beautiful the soya beans is. You understand? From the beginning, I applied the first fertilizer. We have first application. We have second application. First and foremost, I applied the first application. So when you get to the stage, come follow me. When you get to the stage, I applied the second application. But look at how neat the farm is. How come is this neat? Well, let's go and interview the woman that makes this farm very beautiful. Looking this beautiful. Mama! Zo. Inakala, Mama. Yeah, Jiki. Yes, so this is Mama. Mama making a years ago. See, in Hausa we call it karta, but in English we call it weeding. Now, in this farm, there's a lot of small space. Of course, you know now, I'm a woman. I'm not gonna allow the space make it go like that. So this, I want to plant iron beans. But for beginner, already this is beans. I've applied honey beans. This is how honey beans looks like. I apply it towards the end of July. These honey beans are applied towards the end of July. Now, since there's this small space, come and see how beautiful honey beans looks like. This is how honey beans looks like. It's very beautiful. Honey beans is beautiful. Let me show you more of honey beans on the farm. Wow, got honey beans, and there's one other beans they call. You can plant it during when the rain is heavy. It's called, in Hausa we call it wawa mata, but in English we call it fruitful wife, because the beans you can harvest. Oh, more you can harvest tire for that wawa mata. But this year I don't want to put wawa mata. I've been farming for like this is my 4th year. I've been farming on this very farm. Yeah, but most times before I start to apply the chemical, I first of all spread kashin kaza in Hausa. So I spread kashin kaza. So most of the space I'll be having on this farm, I want to put iron beans. So let's go. I put the iron beans. Since the ground is very soft, I'll just put my finger like this, the tip of my finger, and I'll apply two of it. I'll just put 2 of it. This Yaro has been very helpful. He has been very helpful to me. He was like, look at how people were passing. And telling me the farm is fine. Oh, but this farm fine, is very beautiful. Malam, yakaba go nan. Yakaba go nan. How the gona day? It's beautiful. I think you should just contact Samako.
Which one are you planting now?
I want to plant. No, I'm not putting wawa mata. Okay. Let's go. Let me show you how wawa mata looks like for those that applied early. This is how wawa mata looks like. This is a neighbor's farm. Yeah, friends and fans. This is how wawa mata looks like. This is wawa mata. Look at how beautiful this one is. The essence of applying the chemical is to kill whatever that is on the ground so that it will not affect the plant. This is how our matter looks like. In English, we call it fruitful wife. But as you see this flower like this, we will apply chemical so that it will not have weavers. You understand? But me, I did not put our matter. Let's take a tour to my farm. My farm is very beautiful. I'm so excited that everything is going beautiful. Everything is going fruitful. Mama, don't mind me, oh. My farm costs up. I know they're lazy, oh. And they farm well. Hey, Mama is very helpful. Oh my God. Check out this farm. Very beautiful. Oh my God. Very neat. As if you want to sleep on this farm. Mama, Daddy. Mama, oh, Daddy. Mama na alboka. Mama, oh, Daddy. Mama has made this farm very beautiful. Mama na go the Mickey. Ubangiji yesaka Mickey. Yesaka Mickey. Ubangiji yesaka Mickey. Let's go. Check out the farm. Oh my God. This my soya beans too fine. Child, Jesus. My soya beans is too beautiful. This is my corn. I have applied the second application already. See my soya beans. Hey, oh Jesus. God of farm, oh, don't do me better. God of farm. Mama is still working on the farm. She's still doing the weeding. She's still working on it. Oh, Mama, can I check out this farm? Mama did a very tremendous job. Very wonderful. Very tremendous job. And I want to appreciate God because God is good. God is the God of harvest. He's the God of season. He's also the God of harvest. And I trust Him completely. He will give me a bountiful harvest on this farm. Yes, thank you so much, friends and family. This is where the tour of my farm comes to an end. I will give you another tour during the harvesting season. I still remain your girl, Ngozi O.Global TV.